हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज़ जिया गुप्ता एंड दिस इज़ माय चैनल इट कैन गेट मेसी। अब तुमने टाइटल तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा। दिस इज़ अ अप्रैल रिकमेंडेशन, अप्रैल फेवरेट्स वीडियो। सो इसमें व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज़ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस मूवीज़, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस बुक्स, हैबिट्स, वेब सीरीज, प्रोडक्ट्स, skincare, perfume, makeup, which I would recommend to you guys for this month. So this is my first month recommendation video. So ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सब मैंने अप्रैल में ही यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया है या फिर मैं पहले से नहीं यूज़ करती थी, बट मैं इसको काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ करते हुए आ रही हूँ. So since this is my first recommendation video, I am going to recommend you my OG products which I really love, and some of them are new, some of them I have started using recently, but I have fell in love instantly. So let's get into it, let's get started. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed, किस बात का वेट करो यार, सब्सक्राइब करो. Okay, very good, let's get started. If you're thinking why I'm so dolled up in this video, I'm just going to tell you that I was shooting a makeup tutorial, affordable makeup tutorial just before that. So I have shot this look in that tutorial. The video will be coming up next week, so if you want to see that tutorial, stay tuned for this video. So I've used almost all the affordable options in that video, and it's the option that I have given, the options that I have recommended are just French kiss. They are just too good. Let's not divert from the topic and start with the recommendation. So the first thing which I want to take up in this video is April favorite habit. So number one is the habit. So I have started doing regular workouts. So as you can see that I'm not a very fit person, so I'm not very healthy or someone who's very fit because I didn't used to work out regularly. So अब मैंने क्या किया है ना, I work out regularly and I post my workout picture on my Instagram, so that for the days I'm not posting, my followers or my friends can just tell me ki, hey, you have not posted, why have you not worked out today? So it's a they are policing me to work out daily. एंड जब तुम ऑनलाइन कुछ पोस्ट करते हो तो तुम अकाउंटेबल भी हो जाते हो, ज़्यादा कमिटेड भी हो जाते हो उस चीज़ से, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है एट द बैक ऑफ द माइंड कि भाई मुझको आज ऑनलाइन पोस्ट करना है या ऑनलाइन फ़ोटो डालनी है, जो भी मैं चीज़ कर रही हूँ. तो इफ़ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, this is your cue to follow me so that you can also get motivated with the workout post and join my journey, join the workout the workout journey together, so that we can build a community and we can build this fit community where we are working towards a healthy body and working towards feeling good and looking good and building a healthy body. So if you want to join it, you can join it. So that's the first recommendation. This is the habit that I have incorporated and will definitely keep at it. I will be consistent, I promise you. Okay, so the second thing which I want to talk about is a series. So for the series, I have started rewatching Naruto. If you don't know about Naruto is a very popular anime. It's very long, so काफ़ी सारे episodes है उसमें. But once you start watching it, there's no stopping. I have already watched the whole thing once, and I'm rewatching it now. I am currently on the Chunin exam, which I think is the best part of Naruto. So that's my recommendation. If you are new to anime and if you have not watched any anime yet, start with Death Note, dude. It's just mind blowing. And if you are already an anime fan, let me know your favorite anime in the comment section. And you like Naruto or not? I don't think anyone would say they don't like Naruto. So all the people who say that anime is for kids, dude, get a life. Okay, moving on. The third thing we are going to talk about in today's video is a film. This film is very close to my heart, and I'm going to put it out there for all of you. I'm going to share it with all of you. It's Dead Poet Society. It's an old movie. It's a very old movie, but just go watch it. I don't want to say anything about it right now. You have to watch it. Just watch it once and you will know. Just watch it once and you'll know why I am obsessed with that movie. Okay. Thing which I have in the recommendation for this month is ta-da-da-da-da. If you know me, you know that I absolutely love this particular moisturizer. So इसके पीछे एक story है, ठीक है. I solely bought it because I wanted a big dibba for my moisturizer. I don't wanted a small डिब्बा ताकि मैं उसको बार मुझे परचेज ना करना पड़े. So I just bought this because ये मुझे बहुत budget friendly लग रहा था, and this was coming in a big dibba. And after I started using it is when I got to know that it's so good, it's so popular, and everybody's use it. Just let me just show you. It just melts in your body and everyone can use it. See, shine dekh rahe ho, and it just stays. This moisturizer just stays. So it's a beautiful moisturizer, also budget friendly. I think 500 ml कुछ 1300 रुपये का होता है. It's almost never on discount. So अगर तुम्हें डिस्काउंट पे मिल रहा है तो ले लेना. But it's very good. So this is something which I will recommend to all of you. The second thing which I want to talk about is this particular sunscreen. This is a sunscreen from Conscious Chemist. This is their Sun Drink Hybrid Gel Non-Greasy Sunscreen. And I absolutely love it. इसका फॉर्मूला इतना अच्छा है ना. I know कि ये लोग शार्क टैंक पे आए थे, but I have been using this उससे काफ़ी पहले से I have been using this. So देख रहे हो काफ़ी ख़त्म भी हो चुकी है ये, ठीक है. Let me just show you कि इसका फॉर्मूला कैसा है. I'm struggling to get it out. That's okay. So let me just show it to you. It's beautiful. See how this is real time. Okay, मैं कोई इसको स्पीड बढ़ा के ऐसे कुछ नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. मुझे कोई पैसे नहीं दे रहा है इसे बोलने के लिए. This is absolutely not sponsored. None of the products in the video is sponsored. देख रहे हो? It just melts. It just melts in your not video, in your skin. Okay. Next product which we have. Okay, let's talk about this. Take my word on this. If you are into self-love and self-care and you love to pamper yourself, get yourself one of these. This is a Dove exfoliating body polishing, and it's so good. I use it once or twice a week, and I have this in the crushed almond and mango butter because I solely got it in the mango flavor because summers चल रहे थे. But it's so good, dude. You have to try it. काफ़ी और सारे variations में आता है. So if you want to try others, you can try it based on your preference. But if you are into self-care and self-love and love to pamper yourself, you have to get these. Okay. अगर तुम्हें स्किन केयर के बारे में पता है तो you have heard about this, the ordinary glycolic acid. It's just good. ठीक है. इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कि दिस इज़ pH बैलेंस. काफ़ी सारे ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड में लिखा नहीं होता कि वो कितने pH है उसमें, एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड टू बी pH बैलेंस. इट्स रियली गुड. एक तो इसकी पैकेजिंग इतनी अच्छी है. इट्स वेरी ईजी टू यूज़ इट, ईजी टू अप्लाई. दे ऑल्सो कम्स इन दिस पम्प काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. ठीक है. सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस वाइल अप्लाइंग इट. आई जस्ट लव इट. It just does the job. Multi-purpose. I love things which are multi-purpose so that you can use them, for various different purposes. This is just too good. The only con for this one is it's a little expensive. So I've also got one glycolic acid from Underrated. It's very affordable, so I just wanted to try that. So I'm going to move on to makeup. So I have two concealer recommendation. One is a little high end, one is from NYX. This is NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum, and one is from Insight HD Concealer. Dude, these two concealer are game changer. This NYX Concealer Serum, it's just so smooth, it's just so lightweight. लगता ही नहीं है कि concealer लगाया हुआ है. It covers everything. It's just so good. ठीक है. And similarly for this one, Insight HD concealer, if you are dry skin type, तुमको ये थोड़ा drying लग सकता है, so you have to prep your skin very well before using this. But again, it's freaking good, dude. You have to try these two. ठीक है. We have again an Insight product. This is a Insight highlighter. This is in the shade Savage Barbie. काफ़ी सस्ता है, I think ये मुझे 80 रुपीज़ या 99 रुपीज़ का पड़ा था. And just look at it. काफ़ी फाइन शिमर पार्टिकल्स है इसमें. आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन हाईलाइटर जो कि हाई एंड्स को भी बीट कर सकता है. इट्स सो गुड. आई थिंक इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट. भाई 80 रुपये में तुम क्या लोगे ना, मतलब प्राइस को देख के इट्स टू गुड डूड. इट्स टू गुड. जस्ट लुक एट इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव अ लिपस्टिक रिकमेंडेशन. We have NYX lipstick in the shade Chai, dude. This lipstick has been with me, not this, but this Chai Nykaa has been with me for last 5 to 6 years, and it just suits me so well. If you are a brown, I think this is one shade which will suit everyone, every Indian skin tone. It will suit so well. It's just a beautiful 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 formulation. सबसे पहले ये मुझे मिला था जब मेरी बहन ने मुझको ये गिफ्ट किया था मेरे बर्थडे पे. I was too excited to use it just because इसका नाम चाय था, ठीक है ना. I love चाय, but when I applied it, when I used it, the color, the formulation, everything is so good, and you can just, you know, it suits me so well. It suits my complexion so well. I'll just show you. And I think कि इसका फॉर्मूला उन्होंने थोड़ा चेंज किया है. पहले it was a little darker, but अब it's a little lighter, more too good. Just अगर तुम ऑयली चीज़ें खाओगे तो ये निकल जाएगी, but other than that it's too good. We are at the end of the video. I have the last recommendation for you guys, and it's a perfume. It's one of my favorite perfume. It's Sure by Skin by Titan, and it's such a sweet smell. It's such an expensive smell, dude. It's just too good. It's too good, dude. I don't have the base note right now, so I'll just mention the base note here somewhere, but it's so sweet. It's so, you know, if you are into sweet fragrance, you will just love it. It's so luxurious. It smells so good. It smells so feminine. It's the word. I love it. I absolutely love this perfume. ठीक है. That's all the recommendation for this video. And if you have any recommendation, any book, any movies, any series, any makeup, any skincare, if you have any recommendations for me, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to try them. That's all for today's video. If you like it, please leave a like and comment. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.